Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2019 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe Grand Sport 2LT in Elkhart Lake Blue on black leather interior. So we'll just start over at the trunk area here. I'll let you have a look. So nice size trunk here on the Corvette. They are designed to hold two sets of golf clubs. Definitely not the big touring bags, but your carry bags should fit nicely. Down below we do have a cargo net, so that's here for keeping your items in place. We have storage down in here, and we've got the privacy netting. So there's an upper piece here and a lower piece here, so when the trunk closes, any items that you have underneath will be covered. In the corner here we do have a 12-volt socket, and we've got the nice light in the corner. And I'll go ahead, we'll close the trunk. It is soft close, so I just press and it pulls itself closed. We've got the carbon flash metallic stage 1 rear spoiler. Looks nice. We've got the LED taillights, LED turn signals. We've got the carbon flash badge package, and we've got the NPP performance exhaust. So the two outer ports have dampers on them that open and close to make the exhaust louder or quieter electronically based on the setting that you put it on. So we'll just move around this side here. Here's your rear wheel. So we've got the nice chrome wheels on this one. It's got black painted calipers, heavy duty brakes, and nice Michelin tires. Up top, we've got the color matched vent cover, looks great. And down below, we've got the carbon flash metallic side skirts. Here's your passenger door panel. So it's got the nice baseball stitching that runs along. With the 2LT, you've got the 10 speaker Bose stereo, electronic door release, power windows, and power locks. Here's your Corvette kick plate. It still has the wrapping on it. That's why it looks kind of funny, but it's just well protected, which is great. For the seat, we've got power fore, aft, up, down, power recline, lumbar, and side bolster adjustments. And I'll just go ahead and scan up the seat so you can see the condition. Looks awesome. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. And we'll have a look in the glove box. So in the glove box, we've got the fuel filler tube and we've got the books. So those are all there. Close that up. We've got the nice baseball stitching on the lower portion as well as on the upper portion. Have a look at the condition of the dash while we're here. Over here we've got our heated and cooled seat control for the passenger temperature display, and passenger temperature control. So we'll hop out and we'll close this side up. And I'll just start at the back of the vehicle and we'll scan over this side of the car so you can see the condition. Looks great. And take note that we do have the carbon flash metallic mirrors that accent nicely with the Elkhart Lake Blue, as well as the carbon flash metallic vent with the Grand Sport logo right here. And up top we do have the glass or transparent roof that has a black tone to it from the exterior and a blue tinted tone from the interior. Here's your front wheel. So again, nice chrome wheels, heavy duty brakes, black painted calipers, and Michelin tires. Under the hood, we've got the V8 6.2 liter motor, which is 460 horsepower, and that's paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. So lots of power, lots of fun to be had. Down below, we've got our cable here because it's got adjustable magnetic ride control. Also with the Grand Sport, you get the dry sump oil system, which is here in the corner, as well as the rear differential cooler and transmission cooler. So we'll go ahead, we'll close the hood. We'll have a look from the front. So here it is on the front. We've got the nice carbon flash metallic hood stinger stripe with the carbon flash metallic vent. We've got the black housing projector HUD headlights with LED turn signals and LED daytime running lights. In the front, we've got our curb view cameras. So there's one there, as well as another one just over here. We've got the stage 1 plastic lower spoiler. It's in good shape, as you can see. In terms of issues, I'll just have a close look. We'll see if there's anything to point out. That just wipes off. There may be a little tiny mark the size of a pinhead there, but I think it might buff out, so we'll see. And there is one little mark right here the size of a pinhead as well. So we'll touch them up, we'll make them look the best we can for you, but they are there, so I just want to point them out. So we'll just shift around this side. Here's your other front wheel. So again, nice chrome wheels, heavy duty brakes, black painted calipers, and Michelin tires. And same thing back here. Awesome. So over at the driver's side, again, we've got that nice 10 speaker Bose stereo. We've got our power locks, power windows, electronic door release, 2 user memory with a programmable exit button, and the nice baseball stitching that runs along. Here's your kick plate on the driver's side. So it's in fair condition, a few little minor marks there at the front, but we will run the polisher over. We'll make it look the best we can for you. And here's your power seat controls, so power fore, aft, up, down, recline, lumbar, and side bolster adjustments. And again, I'll just go ahead and scan up that seat so you can see the condition. Looks good. And as I get in there, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. And we'll get in, we'll fire this one up. There we are. So we've got the carbon fiber dash with this one. Looks great. Down below here, we've got our heads-up display controls and our power mirrors. We'll have a look here on the dash now that it's running. We've got 8,952 kilometers, so nice and low. Down here, we've got our cruise control buttons, favorites or track change for the radio, volume controls on this side, and our arrow keys. The arrow keys work the dash, so that gives us info, performance, audio, phone, nav, and options. Above that is telephone hang-up, telephone answer, and voice command controls. We've got paddle shifters plus and minus over on this side. Let's see, I'll shut off the headlights for a moment and have a look on the dash. So there's your heads-up display. So you can change what's displayed. You can also move the position of it and change the brightness of it. So very cool, that's there. And below those buttons on this side, you've got trunk release, motion alarm on and off, and we've got our power tilts and telescopic steering column. And on this side here, you've got your push button start. We've got behind screen storage with a USB port. And audio, so you got AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth streaming, USB, and auxiliary line in. You got telephone controls, projection is Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Nav, so we've got full factory navigation, PDR. So here's your performance data recorder, so you can record your track times and things like that. If we go over to the front, here's your front curve view cameras. There's your reverse camera, and we'll just go back. So if I put it in reverse, it'll automatically go to those cameras. If I put it in forward, it goes to the front cameras. Down below is our temperature control. So this is the driver's temp. There's the passenger temp displayed. Again, there's the controls on that side. Heated and cooled seat for the driver are here. Secondary controls for the passenger are down below. There's your 8-speed automatic shifter, 12-volt socket, cup holders, electronic parking brake, and mode selector. When we twist the mode selector, we get touring, sport, track, weather, eco, and back to touring. In the center, we've got our 2 USB ports, auxiliary line in, and our 12-volt socket. There's your frameless rear view mirror that's auto dimming, and here's your glass or transparent roof. So that's awesome. And then up top, we've got our programmable home buttons for controlling garage door and things like that. So now we'll just hop out with the running, have a look and a listen. Good sound to it. And I'll just show you from the front. The headlights on. Looks good. And we'll just go ahead and scan along this side of the car. See the condition. Looks good. There it is from the back. Nice rumble to the exhaust. There you have it, folks. 2019 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport 2LT in Elkhart Lake Blue, here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.